Simplest way to do it without you tearing is to just slice in half, right? I work on one side first, while the other just press against the cutting board. The whole idea is to stop releasing the gas, which is located here. Alright, they will be released, and when they hit your eyes, you start tearing. How to slice onion is basically the roots is on your 9 o'clock, facing 9 o'clock. Then parallel to the cutting board, you slice by pinching and securing the onion. Not all the way, continue depending on the size. Now I'm going for medium dice. Then the 9 o'clock will now turn to your 12 o'clock. So same thing, not all the way. Keep your hands safe by moving alongside your knife. And then return back from 12 to your 9 o'clock. And this time around, you just slice downward and you got a very consistent, even dice. Once you reach towards the end, there's no way you can grip them. No worry, just bring them down, slice a bit more, and then chop them